One of the best safety measures you should take while riding a motorcycle is to wear a helmet. A helmet will help protect your head in case of an accident or a fall, and also protect your face and eyes from debris and bad weather. Not everyone is required to wear a helmet in Texas by law, but it is a good habit nonetheless. Helmets can be critical in situations in which your safety as a rider is threatened by careless and negligent drivers. Riders 20 years old and younger are required by law to wear a motorcycle helmet. This also includes those who ride low-power cycles, except motor-assisted scooters with engine displacement below 40 cc. Riders 21 years old and older are exempted from the motorcycle helmet requirement as long as they can provide proof of their medical insurance policy or proof of successfully completing a motorcycle operator safety and training course. The debate continues in the U.S. surrounding motorcycle safety and whether or not wearing a helmet should be mandated by law or optional. When it comes to buying and wearing a helmet, it is best to select one that meets the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard, FMVSS. Helmets that meet the standard have a U.S. Department of Transportation sticker attached. This is the easiest way of knowing that you are wearing a helmet that is compliant and approved. Approved helmets must weigh at least 3 pounds, have a sturdy chin strap, and a 1-inch thick inner liner. Though a motorcycle helmet will protect you against injury, it cannot protect you from all injuries. No matter what your injuries, you should go and see a doctor if you have been in a motorcycle accident. Some injuries, like serious life-threatening internal injuries, may be hard to diagnose, especially if you had a hard crash but walked away with only scratches and abrasions. If the accident was caused by another party's recklessness, carelessness, or negligence, you can file a claim to recover financial restitution for your harm and losses. If you or a passenger suffered a serious injury while on a motorcycle that was caused by another motorist's careless or reckless actions, now is the time to contact an experienced and skilled Houston personal injury attorney to pursue maximum compensation on your behalf. Call 469-414-9082 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free case evaluation.